going on, YouTube? It's your boy B, and we back with another one. Me and Little B. What I need you to do is like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that post notification bell to keep the channel alive. And today is Friday. B, you want some fries today? Yep. So today we got a numerous of things we're gonna do, and that consists of, you're just gonna have to follow us today. Hey, we got a lot of stuff to do. First, we're headed to Arnell to pick up a set of wheels, though. I am gonna tell you that. And man, I gotta go to the P.O. box before we wrap this video up, and then we're gonna start another one. I'm gonna go pull the donk out. That's gonna be the next video. So you have to watch that. It'll probably be later on when I upload all that, but yeah, we're gonna pull the donk out, drive it. We might drive it on this street right here over here on North Fields. I might take it down there to the business thing and back, me and B, but I ain't got no seatbelts in there, so I kind of don't want to do that. So I'm probably just gonna ride it around the complex a couple times and in that apartment little circle and put it back up. But and we gotta play the lotto, of course. Lotto, pick wheels up, little lunch at lunch, and P.O. box. And if anything else pop up, it'll be on this video. But I'll get back with y'all once we get across here to Little Rock. I don't know what time is it. 9 o'clock. The traffic shouldn't be bad. But I'm about to find out. It's 9 o'clock. It shouldn't. I'm gonna be mad as heck. I get on this freeway. If not, I ain't getting on it. I'm gonna keep going up the service road. I'll get back with y'all in a second. Yeah, the freeway is good and clear on a Friday, 9 o'clock. I don't know what that old Benz was doing. Pull that old Benz out. Oh yeah, tomorrow, me and my boy Wonka Hunt, we're going to car show Percy Ward, 78 Chevy boy in Memphis. So tomorrow will be a 2-part video too. Car show footage and, daily life. Stay tuned for that for Saturday morning. It'll be a full event. But I'll turn y'all back on in a second. Waiting on the client to pull up. She should be pulling up here soon. Hopefully they have the wheels out here before she gets so I can go unbox them and everything. And but I'll get back with y'all in a second. Here they come. You just sat him right there. I'm about to put him in the truck. And by any chance, you got a box cutter or something on you? Yeah. If I can cut these what's the names off. Appreciate you. All right. Okay, you got it. Nah, I was going. One more favor. You think you can cut this first one for me? This is the exact one I need open. All right. Appreciate you. I'm gonna get good. I'm gonna look damn good. She don't like them. You ain't got. Guess I might need the knife again, huh? One more. In a minute, I'm gonna have to start paying you, huh? I'm getting paid. All right. Oh, yeah. Ain't shit. Maybe it's just stuck. Yeah. Appreciate you. I'm just waiting on this truck to pull up now so I can offload them. All right. You have a good one. So, I wonder why it ain't floating. That chrome, I don't even know if it was recording the whole time, but that chrome, golly. I'm gonna show y'all this again. Show y'all from that chrome. I don't know if it recorded. Golly. Good mother lord. Cold. Man, you can't beat a set of chrome RUCCI. I damn near want to order me a set of chrome. Damn, what a more nice. Ooh wee. Ooh, 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 ooh wee. Gotta give me a good reel video real quick. Talking about I don't post them. I don't post wheels on my. What? Them mugs, excellent. Man, it's just something about that chromosome. But damn, that make me want to go. Oh, order me a set, man. Bullshitting, B. Damn, that make me want to give me a set. I won't wait. She about to waiting on her to pull up and you know, I'm about to get in the car though with B. Put the steering wheel in here and wait till they pull up. I'll get back with y'all. Yeah, you want to put this in the front. You want to look at this one or are you good? All right. say I just opened that one.
Got some more tape or something?
I ain't got no tape. I say it should be straight. What I'm gonna do is I should be able to put off 4 of them and there was no problem. I scanned 2 of them up. I'll probably do it like this. When you gonna get them put on?
Hopefully,
Talking about tomorrow?
no, around June.
Oh, okay, around that time. Who paying your car? Who paying your car? Oh, Porter got it. Oh, okay. Oh, it's your phone. Who doing the music though? Oh, okay.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, you did. Alright.
I guess when you get them on, shoot me some pictures and let me know.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you.
Already. I appreciate you.
Alright.
Ooh, I'm tired. You tripping? He always crying. Boy, he a little crybaby. Why he always crying, man? Turn this fool off. That's gonna be the end for the Big Daddy coming through. He coming through. I'll show you. Yeah. That's gonna be the end of the video. Unboxing. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell to be part of the team. And me and B, we got some other things to go do today. So if you want to see that vlog, you gotta watch it after this. But